On approximately 12th of March 2013, a young male with a Glock on his chest got pulled over by two female cops. Little that they know, this young black male is a firearm instructor.
Hello.
How you
See
doing?
on that side. Oh, you.
You.
What's up?
You know
Look,
me?
go ahead and talk to her.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I don't know you.
No, I don't know her. I don't know you. But when I saw you, right, I said, "Did she?" Not she. I didn't know it was a she. I'm like, "Is she really about to pull me over?" He like, "Nah, you good. She just giving me the light." I'm like, "Nah, that means pull over."
And who are you? I'm sorry.
I'm just a regular guy trying to get off work. But I'm assuming you probably asking who I am because I have a gun on my
Yeah,
chest.
that's,
But
yeah.
I'm
That's all I hear about.
firearm instructor
Right.
slash enthusiast, if you will.
Where you say you work at?
I'm a firearm instructor.
Firearm instructor.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot.
Y'all have the open carry?
Well, it's funny you said that. So, a couple, like 12 years ago, Maryland was concealed carry. Recently, maybe like 8 years ago, now it's wearing carry. So technically in Maryland, I mean, I'm an instructor, so I don't tell people to walk around like that, but I'm always teaching. This is, you know, like I said, so guns is my business. But technically in Maryland, yes, open carry is legal. However, since it's not common, you will be questioned by law enforcement since what's going on now. But yeah, technically, I got the statute and all that if you want to see. A lot of cops,
I don't know statute.
you wouldn't know. Why?
I'm not gonna.
Yeah, why would you?
I'm not gonna
Right?
make it up.
Yeah, but so technically, well, I tell not my clients, but students don't open carry because you don't want to, deal with that. But like I said, I'm actually on my way to a class now, so this is my uniform all day, every day.
You going to a class right now?
Well, are you familiar with Free State, Middle River?
Yes.
I'm gonna meet like 4 girls up there and shoot with them,
Always got
private
the
session.
recordings ready and all.
All right. We'll try right here.
All right.
There go my sergeant.
What's up? How you been?
I haven't seen you in a minute.
I know, I haven't. I see you in a new vehicle. This
Well,
different.
I'm always getting pulled over, so I try to switch
You
up my
are,
whips.
and then you right in the middle. Then you know how you make people feel.
No,
with
no.
your stuff
I had the lights.
and
I had the
everything.
lights.
Why this right? And what is this?
What this?
No, I know the camera on. Yeah, what is this?
I also own a.
I know you do.
I haven't seen them, and that's why I'm like.
I know.
Is this Northern?
Huh?
Is this
Yes,
Northern?
Yes.
Yeah. But no. But let's be honest. Was this not a perfect example? I had my lights on. Now she probably was suspicious in you because it took me a minute to pull over.
Did.
I was.
Thank you for watching Raw Police Body Cams channel. Please consider subscribing if you want to help us out. Thanks.